So pretty much this is the print. It started to warp, as you can see. It's not straight, and you can see the layers are getting lift. So I had to stop the print, but pretty much it let me test it. And as you can see, you can put the screw through the hole, and the hole's lined up, and it's pretty secure just with one screw. This hole lined up, this hole lined up, everything lined up. So actually I didn't like that this was a little bit off, so I actually moved the hole a little bit down. Same thing with this, move it a little bit down, and I actually moved the whole board a little bit that way so it'll be closer to the wall. I also made this wall a little bit skinnier. So this is the test print, and as you can see, everything works well. I even made it better, and that's about it.